Wondering what genuinely turns on younger women? In today's video, we're revealing the real qualities and actions that catch their interest. Get ready to gain insight into what makes a deeper, lasting connection with them. Let's dive in. 1. Mirroring her body language. Subtly mirroring a younger woman's movements and posture can create an unspoken connection that is often quite appealing. This psychological phenomenon, known as mirroring, can foster rapport and a sense of familiarity. For an older man, doing this in a subtle and natural way can show attentiveness and a subliminal alignment with her, which can be very attractive. It communicates that you are in sync and can understand her nonverbal cues. 2. Using your voice effectively. A clear, confident, and not overly loud voice is often very attractive to younger women. The tone of voice can convey as much as the words themselves. A calm, controlled voice can indicate maturity and confidence, qualities that many younger women find appealing in older men. It's about using your voice to express genuineness, warmth, and interest in the conversation. 3. Using her name in conversation. Using her name occasionally in conversation is a simple yet effective way to create a personal connection. It shows that you are focused on her and value the interaction. For an older man, this can demonstrate thoughtfulness and attentiveness, making the younger woman feel special and heard. The personal touch of using someone's name can significantly enhance the intimacy of the conversation. 4. Slight tilting of the head. A slight tilting of the head during conversation can be a subtle, subconscious cue of interest and engagement in what she is saying. This gesture indicates that you are actively listening and deeply involved in the conversation. For younger women, seeing an older man who is genuinely engaged in listening to them can be a major turn-on, as it shows a combination of respect and interest. 5. Confident posture. For younger women, a confident posture in an older man is inherently attractive. Standing tall with shoulders back and a relaxed stance conveys a strong presence and self-assuredness. Good posture is a nonverbal cue that communicates confidence and stability, qualities that many younger women find appealing in an older partner. It's about carrying yourself in a way that reflects inner confidence and composure. 6. Fitness and health consciousness. An older man who takes care of his physical and mental health, showing an understanding of the importance of a balanced lifestyle, can be particularly appealing to younger women. This includes regular exercise, a healthy diet, and a commitment to personal well-being. It's not just about looking good, it's about the attitude towards maintaining one's health and vitality, which can be a significant turn-on. 7. Style and grooming. A contemporary fashion sense and good grooming can play a significant role in attracting younger women. This isn't about trying to dress younger than your age, but rather about dressing well and appropriately for your age. Attention to grooming, like maintaining a neat beard or hairstyle and taking care of your skin, can significantly impact your appeal. It shows that you value yourself and take the time to present yourself attractively. 8. Mature confidence. Mature confidence is about being comfortable in your own skin and embracing your age and experience. This type of confidence is different from the brashness often seen in younger men. It's more about being self-assured without the need to prove anything. Younger women can be attracted to this calm, collected demeanor, as it suggests a man who is secure in who he is and what he has accomplished, which can be a major turn-on. 9. Genuine smile. A warm, genuine smile can be incredibly inviting and is often a significant turn-on for younger women. This simple gesture creates a sense of approachability and warmth. A genuine smile from an older man can convey a friendly, open personality and show that he is comfortable and happy in the interaction, which can be very appealing to younger women. 10. Eye contact. Maintaining the right amount of eye contact during a conversation shows interest and confidence, which can be particularly attractive. It's about finding a balance between an intense stare and fleeting glances. Proper eye contact signifies that you are fully engaged in the conversation and genuinely interested in what she has to say, which can be a major turn-on by showing respect and attentiveness. 11. Subtle touches. When appropriate and consensual, subtle touches like a light touch on the arm or a brief pat on the back can create a physical connection that enhances attraction. These gestures should always be respectful and read the situation carefully. When done right, they can be a powerful way to build rapport and intimacy, demonstrating a level of comfort and affection in a subtle, non-intrusive way. 12. Playful teasing. Light, playful teasing can be an effective form of flirtation when done respectfully and with humor. It can create a fun, dynamic interaction that can be very attractive. The key is to keep it lighthearted and ensure it's received well. This type of teasing can show your sense of humor and ability to engage in witty banter, which can be a major turn-on for younger women looking for a partner who is both mature and playful. 13. Suggestive smirk. A subtle, knowing smirk can effectively convey your intentions and interest without needing words. This kind of smirk, especially from an older man, can be intriguing to a younger woman. It's a hint of flirtation that's not overbearing, showing a level of confidence and playfulness that can be very attractive. The key is in the subtlety. It's suggestive enough to be noticeable, but not so overt as to be off-putting. 14. Double entendre. Skillfully using words with double meanings can be a flirtatious and intellectually engaging way to communicate with a younger woman. These double entendres leave enough ambiguity to keep her intrigued and guessing your full intent. This kind of wordplay shows wit and can be a fun, light-hearted way to add an undercurrent of flirtation to your conversations, making the interaction more dynamic and exciting. 15. Body compliments. Complimenting her on specific physical features can be effective, provided it is done in a tasteful and respectful manner. The key is to focus on compliments that are sincere and not overly sexualized. A well-placed compliment about her smile, eyes, or style, for example, can be flattering. It's important, especially for an older man, to maintain respect and tact in delivering such compliments to a younger woman. 16. Seductive whispering. Whispering in her ear during a conversation can create an intimate and direct way to heighten sexual tension. This action suggests a degree of closeness and can be very stimulating. The proximity required to whisper, combined with the intimacy of sharing something meant only for her, can be a powerful turn-on. It's a delicate balance. The whisper should be about creating a moment of shared secrecy rather than crossing boundaries of comfort. 17. Close proximity. Leaning in slightly closer than usual when speaking can significantly heighten the sense of intimacy, especially in the dynamic between an older man and a younger woman. This subtle decrease in physical distance can be a powerful nonverbal cue of attraction. It suggests a desire to create a more personal and intimate space, which can be very alluring. 18. Brushing hair away. In moments when it feels natural and appropriate, gently brushing her hair away from her face or neck can be a tender and intimate gesture. This action should always be done with care and only if it seems welcome. For a younger woman, such a gesture from an older man can convey a sense of protectiveness and tenderness, making it a subtly powerful move in building attraction. 19. Magnetic pull. Occasionally, and subtly decreasing the physical distance between the two of you can create a sense of magnetic attraction. This can be done in various ways, like moving closer to her side while walking together, or subtly orienting your body towards hers. This nonverbal cue suggests an unspoken attraction and can create a dynamic of unspoken chemistry. It's about making her feel the pull of your presence without making her feel crowded or overwhelmed. Now that you've discovered what really turns on younger women, delve deeper with the traits she finds attractive, or learn how to build massive sexual tension. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.